How to verify Airbnb profile. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to verify your Airbnb profile. To do this, you need to provide your personal information and a government issued ID, often along with a selfie through the guided procedure on website or an app. First thing, you want to log in to your account. You will be prompted to verify when you try to book or stay or become a host. So when you go to the profile section, just let's say become a host, select it and tap the next button. Now you will be asked to provide the required personal information. You'll be asked to add in your legal name, address, date of birth, all that stuff, and the information is used to verify your identity through third-party sources. If personal information isn't enough, you'll be asked to take a photo of your government issued ID as well. Accepted IDs include a driver license, passport, or national ID card as well. You're going to take a clear, well lit photo of both the front and the back of your ID. Make sure that the photo fit within the designated frame on the screen as well. And after which, you might also be asked to take a selfie. You may need to take a selfie match your ID photo, and this photo will be shown on your profile or to other users as well. And the photo must be taken at the moment of submissions and should clearly show your face. This way, you'll be able to verify your profile on Airbnb. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.